Hello and welcome back to my workshop. This is video 4, I think, in a series that I'm making on my attempt to make a nice high-end coffee table out of a pallet. And I have learnt a valuable lesson today, unfortunately, not a good one, which is that all glues have operating temperatures. I did know this from last winter and the winter before, but having had a nice summer, I forgot it. So I glued these hardwood inserts in, veneers in, using Titebond 3. And unfortunately, it doesn't actually say anywhere on the label what the operating temperature of it is, but I've looked it up on the internet and it's, in Fahrenheit, it's 45, which in centigrade is 7.2, and it's 5.6 degrees centigrade in here at the moment. And as a result, some of these haven't glued down. Most of them have, but some of them haven't. I think it's due to the operating temperature of Titebond 3. So actually, Titebond 3 for me in the winter, I mean, if it needs above 45 Fahrenheit or 7 degrees centigrade, I can't use that in the winter, basically. So Titebond 3, not for me during the winter. So I had a look at Titebond 2. That's even worse. Titebond 2 was 50, again, not written on the label, but 55 Fahrenheit, which is 12.7 Celsius. Now, given that I give my glue 24 hours to go off, even during the summer here in the UK, in the Isle of Man, it goes below 12 degrees centigrade at night. So I'm beginning to think that actually Titebond in general might not be for me. So my cheap glue, my Evo Stick interior glue, has on it the operating temperature of between 5 and 30 centigrade, which for you Fahrenheit people is above 41 Fahrenheit. And I am 0.6 of a degree above that today. It will go below that tonight, so I may have to take this in to the house overnight to allow it to properly cure. But that's unfortunate lesson that, as I say, I did know that from last year, but I didn't actually have the Titebond last year. I was using this Evo Stick last year, and I got the Titebond in because I thought it would be a better glue, but I don't think it's suitable for cold climates. So I'm going to have a go at doing the planing anyway to get these hardwood veneers down, and if they come off, they come off. It's going to be noisy, so I'm going to turn off the volume and put it on fast forward. Well, I have now planed these veneers down to pretty well the same level as the pallet tabletop. It's been a day of mistakes, and I did say that the first one I build of anything, I use it as a learning exercise, and I learn by my mistakes. I'm just not sure that I realised just how many mistakes I was going to make. In the process of bringing the veneers down to level, I went too aggressively with the hand plane and in the wrong direction against the grain, and I caused almost irreparable tear out damage. I think I'm just about going to get away with it. There's some here that I've just about been able to sand out, and there's some here that I've still got more work to do on. But this is what this is all about. It's a learning exercise, and I hope that somebody out there wanting to do the same thing will be able to learn that lesson as well, but without causing the irreparable damage. Overall, I'm still really pleased with it. I think the hardwood veneers are really gonna come up amazingly when they get stained, when they get varnished. I think I'm actually gonna stain these black or very, very dark brown and it's quite nice that they're going in the opposite direction. I think that'll create quite a nice feature. The feature that I wanted really, by having different coloured, I was going to put different coloured wood in. So by staining it black, then effectively, you know, it will, or very dark brown, then it will effectively look like it's a different wood. A good day, but a frustrating one. If you've liked the video, if you've liked watching me make mistakes, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if you've got time to subscribe to the channel, even better. YouTube really does, the algorithm really does care how many people have liked the video and how many people haven't. I know there's been a few people who have actually disliked previous ones in this series, which is a bit harsh, I think, to dislike a video. If you don't like it, just, you know, walk away. Don't do a dislike. That does an injustice to the people who are trying to put content out there. Anyway, I know I ramble on a lot, and some people like sharp, short, well-scripted videos, and I certainly don't do those. As I say, if you've got time, please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and until next time, stay safe.